How to improve your blood flow and blood circulation with 4 powerful ingredients, which I am going to share with you people in today's video. Why do I always emphasize on blood flow and blood circulation? It is because that when a man has a good blood flow and blood circulation, honestly, that is when he is likely and always to perform well as a man, because good blood flow and blood circulation can cause you to maintain erection. So once you have a good blood flow and a good blood circulation, that is when you will perform well as a man. So in today's video, I am going to share with you 4 powerful ingredients that you are going to mix together to have a good blood flow and blood circulation. But before I proceed on this video, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if you are new on this channel, this is your first time to come across this channel, consider to hit the like button to support this channel. Subscribe to be a member of this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. So what are the 4 ingredients you are going to blend in order to have a good blood flow and blood circulation? The 4 ingredients are: number 1 is carrots. Carrot is very important because carrot contains a good amount of water, which can help you to stay hydrated. Number 2 is onion. Onion is also a good ingredient and a good fruit, which can also help you to stay hydrated, and it contains a lot of fiber, which can help you to have a good immune system, vitamins and other things which is needed for your body system. Number 3 is ginger. Yes, ginger is also an important ingredient which you need to improve blood flow and blood circulation. And the last is honey, which you will add later. How are you going to prepare this recipe? First and foremost, take 1 full bulb of onion and remove the outer part of it, that is the dried part of the onion, and cut it into pieces so that it will be blendable, and add it in a blender. Now take carrots as much as you can and cut it into pieces and also add it in a blender. And take ginger, scrape the outer part of it and take the inner contents or inner parts, cut it into pieces so that it can be blendable, and blend only these 3. Blend it and add water to blend. Then blend it so that it will be in a very small particle, so that these 3 will mix together and be able to produce a juice. When you add water, then add enough water to get more juice. You can consume in 3-4 days. You can still do it more to put it in a refrigerator for preservation and for subsequent use. Now after blending, filter it. Do not heat or boil it. Take it natural. You are going to take it natural. Now after filtration, collect the juice and take half cup of it. Add 1 spoon of honey and drink it. You can take this recipe morning and the night for weeks or for 1 week. You will have a good blood flow and blood circulation. And once you have a good blood flow and blood circulation, you will perform well as a man. You will have a good immune system. You will perform well. You will stay hydrated, and you will have a good stamina and more energy and power as a man. So try this recipe. I believe that it will work for you, as I always take it for myself and recommend it to you people. Try it. You will come and give me testimony. So that is it in today's video. If you get value, consider to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop your comments in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Like and share this video to your friends and families. See you in my next video. Bye.